Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Win Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert color shapes on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert callouts on your WPS spreadsheet on the computer? Just going to show. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option first, and then you just need to click on the shape option. And click on this drop menu. You can find the callouts on the last section. So click this and you can just insert the callouts like this. So I just going to show some of the best callouts that you will see. So these are the basic callouts that we just using, right? So if you click on the shape, you can see the pop-up on the side here. You can just choose the color of the callouts. By using this, you can just change the color like this and also like this, whatever the color you just needed. And also you have the option to change the outline color, and you can just change the textures, different textures like this if you just need it. It's simple to customize and simple to have the full color. So you double tap on the center. So here you can just type whatever you just needed like this. And you can also make it on the center by selecting the text. Just selecting the text and just go to the home section. Here you can just align the text to the center like this, and also you can just change the size like this. So this is how you just insert the colors on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.